Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be making a healthier version of a chocolate hazelnut spread using the Vibe blender. We all love Nutella on toast, but it does come with a lot of extra sugar and additives that you don't necessarily want in there. It's pretty easy to make your own homemade version that's a lot healthier, made with raw ingredients, and you can be sure that it doesn't have anything you don't want in there. The first thing we're going to do is roast up some nuts. I've got 2 cups of raw hazelnuts and half a cup of raw cashews. I've got the oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, and I've got 2 trays prepared with some baking paper. We'll keep the nuts separate because the cashews might take a little less time than the hazelnuts. Roast the nuts for 5 to 10 minutes or until they turn a deep brown color. Being aware that the cashews will roast quicker, so make sure you keep an eye on them. Once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool down until they're just warm to the touch, around 10 minutes. Remove the skins from the hazelnuts. A simple way to do this is to pour them straight onto a fresh tea towel, fold it over and then rub them together, separating the skin away from the nut. Remove as much of the skin as possible, but don't be too precious about it. It's okay if a little bit gets into the mix. Now you can place the hazelnuts and the cashews straight into the blender jug. Now you can add 70 grams of coconut sugar, 35 grams of raw cacao powder, and a pinch of salt. Remove the cap from the lid and insert the tamp. Set the blender to nut mode and blend for around a minute, using the tamp to push the nuts down into the blades in a circular motion. After a minute, pause the blending, remove the lid, and scrape down the sides and under the blades with a spatula. It may take up to around 2 minutes more to reach a smooth, glossy, and runny texture. It's now ready to pour into a clean glass jar, and just be aware it will set firmer. You can store this in a cool, dark place or in the fridge and consume it within 3 to 4 weeks. This is going to be your new favorite family recipe. Get rid of the ultra-processed version and make your own. Spread it on toast as usual or eat it by the spoonful. Kids are going to love this one as well. There's lots of ways that you can make it your own. You can play with the roast of the nuts, the balance of nuts, put different nuts in there. You can play with the sugar levels, add different flavorings. You could spice it with a little cinnamon or some chili even. You can do it any way you like. Let us know what you think in the comments section below. And if you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes. And if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us and we'll be back very soon.